I have a section in the book that talks about the New York Times. Why the New York Times? Because that's supposed to be the guide star of the modern media. But the guide star of the modern media really has a very dark past. During the Holocaust, when people were being rounded up, put on trains, sent to gas chambers, to ovens, mass executions, and so forth, the New York Times printed very, very little about that. It knew about it, but it printed very, very little about it. It ignored its sources. It decided it didn't want to be viewed as a niche Jewish newspaper, and it was concerned about that. It didn't want to offend the positions being put out by the Franklin Roosevelt administration, which said to downplay it, and there were a host of reasons.